If English phone calls still make you nervous, this video will really help you. You'll hear a natural conversation, and at the end, I'll review the most useful phrase to help you sound confident. And if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Let's get started. Hey Daniel, it's Emily. Do you have a minute?
Hey, Emily. Yeah, I've got time. What's up?
I wanted to talk about the homework from today. I think I might have missed a few important things in class, and now I'm a little confused.
No worries at all. Which subject are you talking about?
Our English class. We had so many things going on today, and I wasn't sure about the instructions the teacher gave us.
Yeah, there was a lot of information. What part are you confused about?
First, the essay. Did the teacher say it has to be 5 full paragraphs or just at least 3?
It has to be 5 full paragraphs. She said introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion.
Okay, good. I thought so. And do we need to include quotes from the story?
Yes, at least 2 quotes. She said we need evidence to support our ideas.
That makes sense. I don't want to do it wrong.
I get it. I always double check too. What else are you unsure about?
The due date. Is it due this Friday or next Monday?
It's due this Friday. She said she wants to read them over the weekend.
Oh wow, I'm glad I called you. I really thought it was Monday. I probably would have turned it in late.
Yeah, that would have been bad, but now you know.
Yes, definitely. But I still feel a little nervous. I want to do well.
You will. You're a good writer. Just start early. Don't wait until Thursday night.
I'll try not to. Do you think we should work on it together at the library?
Actually, that sounds like a great idea. Maybe tomorrow?
Perfect. Tomorrow after school works for me. Should we meet around 3:30?
Yeah, 3:30 is good. Let's sit in the quiet study area so we can really focus.
Good idea. By the way, did the teacher also assign that reading worksheet too?
Yes, but that one is pretty simple. Just answer the questions after reading.
Okay, that's not too bad then.
See, it's not as bad as it felt earlier, right?
Yeah, now it feels a lot better. Thanks for helping me. I really appreciate it.
Of course. That's what friends are for.
I wish teachers would post everything clearly online.
Same here. It would save so much confusion.
But hey, now we have a plan.
Yep, we'll review everything tomorrow and we'll be fine.
Thanks again, Daniel. I owe you one.
No problem. If I ever miss something, I'll call you too.
Deal. Okay, I should probably start working on the outline tonight.
Good plan. I'll do the same. Talk tomorrow?
Yes, see you tomorrow.
See you. And don't worry, you'll do great.
Thanks. Bye, Daniel.
Bye.
Let's take a quick look at the most useful phrases from this conversation. Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute means asking if someone has time to talk. Example: Hey, do you have a minute? I need help with something. I've got time. I've got time means I am free and available to talk. Example: don't worry, I've got time to help you. Double check. Double check means to check something again to be sure. Example: I always double check my homework before I turn it in. The due date. The due date is the final day something must be finished. Example: the due date for the project is Friday. Turn it in. Turn it in means submit homework or an assignment. Example: don't forget to turn it in tomorrow.
I own you one. I own you one means I appreciate your help and will help you in the future. Example: thanks for covering my shift. I own you one. Step by step. Step by step means doing something slowly and in order. Example: let's do it step by step so it's easier. Figure it out. Figure it out means understand something after thinking about it. Example: give me a minute, I'll figure it out. Just in case. Just in case means to be prepared for something that might happen. Example: bring your notes just in case. Make a plan. Make a plan means decide what you will do and when. Example: let's make a plan for studying.
Thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and I can't wait to see you again in the next video. Bye for now.